If I lost everything today, no job, no savings, no connections, and had to start completely from zero, this is exactly what I'd do. No hype, no get-rich-quick garbage, just a realistic path anyone can follow to build passive income, grow wealth, and escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Ready? Let's go. First, I'd fix my mindset. When you're starting from zero, your biggest asset isn't money, it's time, skills, and discipline. Forget trying to get rich overnight. Focus on learning high-value skills that can generate income fast. Think writing, editing, design, or content creation. Things you can monetize immediately through freelancing or online gigs. Once the cash flow starts, that's when we move to automation and investing. Step 1. Build active income, money you earn from work. I'd use freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to sell skills, writing, voiceover, editing, design, anything you can learn free on YouTube. Even $20 to $50 per gig gives you seed money to invest. Don't underestimate this stage. It's your launch pad. The goal isn't to stay here forever but to fund your passive income systems. Active income is your short-term fuel, passive income is your long-term engine. Next, I'd start building an audience. Because audience equals opportunity. You don't need millions of followers, you need the right people who trust your voice. Start a YouTube channel, a TikTok account, or a blog. Share what you're learning, your journey from zero. Every post you make becomes a digital asset that can bring views, leads, and eventually, income. Once I have some followers or content out there, I'd move into affiliate marketing. It's simple. Recommend products you use and earn commissions when people buy through your link. You can promote investing apps, productivity tools, or digital courses, whatever fits your niche. Be transparent, provide value, and always lead with honesty. That's how you build trust that converts. By the way, if you want to see the affiliate tools I personally use, check the links in the description below. Affiliate income rewards trust. Teach first, sell second, and your audience will buy naturally. Alright, now that we've got some cash flow, it's time to make it work for us. I'd split my income like this: 60% into dividend stocks, you know, companies that pay you just for owning shares. Then, 20% into REITs, that's passive real estate through the stock market. And finally, 20% into building digital assets, like an online course or ebook that sells on autopilot. The goal here? Create income streams that work 24/7, even when you don't. Once your systems are earning money, it's time to automate them. Use AI tools like ChatGPT or Canva to speed up content creation. You can automate affiliate links, email sequences, and digital sales with tools like ConvertKit or Systeme.io. The less time you spend managing, the more time you can spend scaling or just living your life. Automate, scale, and find your freedom. Automation turns a side hustle into a system. The key is removing yourself from the daily grind. Quick pause. If you're getting value, smash that like button and subscribe. It really helps this channel grow and keeps free financial content coming your way. Here's the truth. Starting from zero isn't the end, it's the clean slate for your comeback. Every dollar you earn, every skill you learn, and every habit you build becomes part of your new foundation. Within a year, you can go from nothing to multiple passive income streams if you stay consistent. If you're ready to start your journey from zero, check the links in the description below for free tools, brokerages, and guides I personally recommend. Don't forget to subscribe, because your financial freedom starts with one small step. And Safardimbo Bor de Stein 9 and that step is today.